Hello, students. I hope you are doing well. I've been sitting here, no joke, for 14 hours, trying to solve our lab kit issues. I woke up this morning and there were like 14, 17 messages or something. Thank you so much for being so communicative. That helped me to solve this problem right away. What if I didn't work today? It would have been a disaster. So, I did work today and I think I've solved all the problems. So, let me explain them. This announcement you're seeing on the homepage, I also put into the discussion, and I will do the same thing with this video. I probably will also send this video to all of you via email, just to make sure that everyone gets the information. Okay, so we are going to be using this newfangled A2L Cloud, which you might have had in another class. So this is my A2L Cloud course. If I click in here, it's not going to look like what you're going to see clicking in the first time, so I'm not going to do that. I don't want to freak you out. So first copy this. Just pick it up, collect it, right click, copy. Then go to this web link, which I can click on, for additional information about what to do now that you have your kit. Okay? So the enrollment link is the thing we just picked up, and then you're going to fill out these text fields. You're going to click on my course name. You're going to enter the kit code on the top right of your screen. Find the kit code on your lab pack label. Enter your kit code and click submit. Your kit is now activated and you are ready to begin your course. Okay, so that was step 2 plus. And then you're going to do your work in that web page and in that website. And then you're going to download the final report and submit it to the appropriate Dropbox in D2L. So now I'll click on here. But essentially you're going to get a list of lessons. Look at that they're all open, okay? So you can do them in any order. First thing I would do is just open them all and take a look at the experiment. Look at the materials. That gives you a really quick idea of whether or not this is going to be a lab that can travel or not. So 7 labs right here. The names are different than what you might have on the syllabus if you printed them, or inside the course if you've been studying it deeply. But have no fear. I just spent 14 hours making sure that every reference in the course, hopefully, is using these new names, and we're all good to go. Okay, so now let's go on to the most obvious reference here, the assignments, okay? So what you're going to see in the assignments is that the titles are changed, but there's the same number of labs, and the basic gist of the labs is almost exactly the same. It's just organized a little differently, and it utilizes this new technology. Also notice that I pushed all these deadlines back, the first set of labs. Now, one person was taking issue with the idea that 3 labs would be due on the same day, but realize we've already been in this class for a month and a half. And I feel really confident that if you just set aside an afternoon, you could do all of these at the same time. So let's take a look. When you go in here, oh, sorry, that's not what I wanted to take a look at. Hold on one sec. So when you are inside the A2L Cloud, right, you're going to go through the experiment, clicking through the various pages. Scroll, 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 a bunch of questions to answer. Okay, and you get to the end and there's this evaluation, okay? And you start the evaluation, okay? And then once you download it and you decide you're done, it's going to be locked. So once it's locked, you'll get a screen where you have a PDF and you just download the PDF and then you go back into here, assignments, and you click submit. And I didn't submit anything and it reminded me, thank you very much. Click here, la la la, upload that PDF. You can write me a little note here and there you go. You're on your way. That's how you submit an assignment. Obviously, I'm going to be in a world of hurt come October 12th if you all wait until then to submit. So please, please, please do your best to submit and I'll have these 2 assignments graded by tomorrow. That was what I was supposed to do today, but then I was doing this. Okay, now let's go to some other places where the labs are referenced. So this is the table of contents on the side of the left side of the screen. And here you'll see linking out to the various labs. And I put into the first 2 labs these directions that we just saw in the announcements in the very beginning of this video. And then I just kept linking in this login page. So hopefully we'll all understand what's going on. No problem. And then let's take a look at the lab. So when you're learning in the course, you go through this sequentially. You click on these sequentially and you move through it like it's a book, okay? So, oops, I went one too far. Hold on 1 second. So another thing I updated was this right here. But if you see an inconsistency, please let me know and I'll fix it right away. And then we go on. Exploration, that's like lecture content right there. Go to the assignments, discussions, Learn Smart, lab 1, okay? The lab verification, when you get your kit, you have to go into the assignments here and send me a picture of your kit, a picture of you and your kit, and then I will say thank you, and then that will open up all the rest of these drop boxes. Okay, let's back up. I'm just using the back button here. That's outside of my screen that I'm viewing right now. So I'm canceling, going back out here, back to the module, okay? Read view, assignments, discussions, Learn Smart assignments, labs. Learn Smart is Smart Book. I should change the name of that. I will work on that for sure. And then we go to the labs here and you see those references again. How do you get in there? And where do we go here? Labs. Okay, and there are those 3 labs there. Here's that Dropbox. As we get past the first labs, I put in the learning objectives there. So that will give you a sense of what's going to happen in the lab, even before you go into the A2L webpage. So I think that's everything. Those are all the pages I updated. And hopefully you're not finding wonky references to old information. But if you are, just email me as you've been doing all day. People have been texting me, which is getting a little bit out of control, but I'd rather you be less stressed and me have a lot of texts than me getting no communication from you guys and you guys freaking out in the background. So, I'm here for you. Hopefully I solved our problems. Hopefully every single person who emailed me or texted me today to say that they didn't have the right equipment in their kit, thank you so much, but hopefully your concerns are allayed now because those materials are for the labs I just showed you. Okay, TGIF. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will be checking in, of course, because now I'm way behind. So I don't normally work as very much on the weekends. I try my hardest not to, so I get a little break. But I'll definitely be here tomorrow after some sleep. Okay, talk to you later.